So today I'm going to wash my hair. I use this as one thing there is to have a long hair. So I'm going to put the shampoo. I don't have the energy to go under my shower and all that. So what I do is like I split it, like just open. See, I already put some shampoo. That's how I'm going to be splitting it. I'm going to be putting the shampoo. See, I already put the shampoos on my scalp. Just wash, just so that it will go round, because the hair is good. See, like because of the volume of my hair, so it's going to. I'll do like that, and by the time I grab everything, that's how I'm going to put the shampoo round, so that I can get the scalp. Get the scalp of my hair. This is when I don't go to salon one, because I do go to salon shop, but this is I think I don't go to salon. I can just do my hair like I've always done my hair. So that's how I'm going to go around. I'm going to go around all my hair. Like that. I'm going to go around, yeah, and then I'll come back. Maybe that's what it's gonna be. I don't really care, because I don't really care. Because it's literally so much for me. So. Straight. Because I fixed my hair. I'm still fixing it. I'm not just a pretty girl. Oh yeah. Pink. Me, I don't have it. actually the same person. And I finished working on the letters and listening to my business. I've already worked maybe small. I'll just use this one. Anyway, so kind of do what works for you guys. Just do whatever works for you. You know. So, do what works for you, Sha. What works for you? This part of works for me. Hey, good you. Yeah. This is what I need to go to yes. Done that. The braid must be longer than my natural hair, so let's go for something very, very long. Yeah. Braid has to be. It has to be. Let's see. And I will go. Has to be like that. And make less time. Yes. front and then the braid must be longer than my natural hair, so let's go for something very, very long.